This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. If you want to move from QuickBooks Online to QuickBooks Desktop, you can bring your company's info with you, including your customers, vendors, and transactions. Let's go over how to export your data from QuickBooks Online and then import it into QuickBooks Desktop. To start, from QuickBooks Online, type in Export QBO Data to QBDT after App in the URL, then press Enter to reload the page. This will take you to the Export Overview page. When you're ready to start the export process, select Get Started. Open QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. Go to File and select Close Company. Then be sure to leave QuickBooks Desktop open while you complete the rest of the steps. Go back to QuickBooks Online and select Download Tool to download and install the QuickBooks Desktop Migration Tool. Select Continue to proceed. Choose the data you want to export. You can either export all data with transactions or just lists and balances. Select the option you want and continue. Verify the name and email address you want the migration confirmation email sent to, and select Continue, and then Close. QuickBooks Online is now exporting your data. When your data is ready, QuickBooks will send you a confirmation email. Note that this may take somewhere between 15 minutes and 24 hours, depending on how much data you are exporting. Once you receive the confirmation email, go back to the Export Overview page by typing Export QBO Data to QBDT after App in the URL in QuickBooks Online again. Once you are on the Export Overview page, select Get Started and then Continue. If you've already received your confirmation email, then you'll see a message that says you have a file to download. Select Download QBXML File. If QuickBooks prompts you to save the file, choose a location that is easy for you to find, like your desktop. Launch the QuickBooks Desktop Migration Tool app that you downloaded and installed earlier. Find the QBXML file you downloaded and select Import. QuickBooks Desktop will ask you to choose a location and name for your new QuickBooks Desktop file on your computer. After you save your file, you'll see the QuickBooks Application Certificate. Note that it may be hidden behind other screens if you don't notice it right away. Select the Read and Modify rights you want for your file, then select Continue. QuickBooks Desktop will then import your company file. Once the process is complete, select Done, and you're ready to start using the data from your QuickBooks Online account in QuickBooks Desktop.